assure you, prompting is an important skill, a highly sought after skill, digital skill in 2026 that is very important because that is the communication that we use to talk to AI. AI, not just a tool, it's a thinking intelligent partner. Why AI feels disappointing sometimes, as some of you mentioned, casual inputs, casual outputs. Sometimes the inputs is too casual. No direction, generic response. So if you just say, give me an email to ask for a continuation of a payment that was delayed, I want an email to write to my client. But you don't give it, who is the client? Is the client a repetitive client? Is the client who has been doing business with you on a good time? So we need to change the tone of how we write that email. So a lot of details needs to be there. That's why when you have unstructured prompting, your accuracy is low. Have you ever asked AI once or maybe a few times and gave up? You are like, okay, I'm done with you. You're not giving me what I want. Or you feel the answer is too generic. Even the output didn't solve your actual problem. Any of you have been in this situation before. But one thing that really helped me on is a shift in my mindset, but the way I look at AI, because I was using it as an active Google search. So no more going to Google, I start to use it as my Google itself. You don't need long answers from ChatGPT for it to be accurate and effective. You need it to be structured and tailor-made to your needs. So when you read that answer and that output, you would see, oh yes, this is acceptable. I can send this out. It is not new. It is there. Let me assure you one thing. This is a skill, my dear friends. It is a skill. It's not an inherited gift. Like if my parents are good in playing music, I also play good music. So this is a skill, which means you need to develop. Just like how you're putting in effort today to come to understand it. And I'm going to give you a structured framework that is immediately you can apply. So we want to move from casual prompting to intentional prompting. This framework to be in your mind every time when you prompt. Okay, it's this ROSES. You are an important person in this AI journey. If prompting has issues and you find it a challenge, there is an important part that you need to play in it. And I called it the human in the loop approach. So you and I using AI for an output. We need to look at the answer that AI is giving. We shouldn't be accepting every first answer. Multi-modal prompting. One step further. No more just text. Now you have some other elements to help your prompt, to strengthen your prompt, get better outputs, save time in prompting. The human in the loop approach. Remember friends, you are the expert. Your input is crucial and is very, very valuable. If you feel your inputs are not valued by other people, AI will value it, especially in the output you want. So be specific, put in your expertise in it. This is where to show off your expertise with the AI.